So every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Everyone's aware of Newton's third law, but what if every purchase had a socially responsible reaction? Enter Catalyst Creation, a consulting and marketing firm. The mission of this agency is to be a catalyst for social change through strategic and meaningful connections between the consumers, companies, and charitable organizations. Now, this might seem a little strange at first, but I'm going to walk you through it. Cause-related marketing is a strategy that aims to communicate a company striving for corporate social responsibility and to improve their brand image. Now, a lot of consumers see stuff like this and they think of it as greenwashing, which has been a phrase that's been tossed around lately, where companies say that they're environmentally friendly and they try and promote themselves as more positive environmentally than they actually are, and so a lot of consumers these days are becoming skeptical. But that's where Catalyst Creation comes in, and we can help your company become a much more socially responsible company in a way that's believable to the consumers. So for the consumers, there are 3 obstacles to buying responsibly. The first one is motivational. Their willingness to make a political statement, to say, this is what matters to me and this is what I'm looking for. The second one is cognitive. They're looking for purchases that are socially responsible, but they can't remember which brands they are. They don't know when they're walking through the grocery aisle, when they're walking through the mall, which clothes are actually fair trade, which companies have actually put an effort into it. And that comes into play with the third obstacle, which is behavioral, and that's being able to find the brand. Is it actually in front of them? Does it exist? Many consumers are moving beyond a sense of guilt of like, I need to help these people, I should help these people, to actually identifying with those that are less fortunate. They feel empowered by being able to take positive action to help people that are struggling by giving to Oxfam, by buying fair trade, by shopping with their Save the Children credit card. They want these options because America is starting to want to put their money where their values are. These small but constructive steps help the consumers reinforce their sense of personal integrity. This leads to an opportunity for marketing to reassert itself at the heart of an organization. So who exactly does want to put their money where their ideals are? Responsible consumers are on the rise. They represent 38% of Americans 18 and older, or about 86 million people. They are more likely to be female, married, African American, and college educated. They tend to be well off, but not wealthy, and they have done many things that people in other demographics haven't, such as buying a household appliance based on energy rating or a product because of the values of the company that made it. While they are particularly concerned with the environment, they are much more willing than others to pay more in federal taxes to deal with social issues like universal health care. They do not fit neatly into any political category. A third are liberal, a third are conservative, and a third are moderate. They are a young and diverse demographic and look more like what America will become in the next 20 to 30 years. This is huge for Catalyst Creations and huge for your company. By utilizing Catalyst, you will be able to grow and market to this extremely viable demographic. So in knowing who the target consumer is, this is going to help Catalyst Creation and your company potentially with creating the best partnership with a charity. So now a walkthrough of how Catalyst Creation works. So your business will hire my company to find the best possible charity that correlates well with your mission. We want this to be strongly at the center of what connects the charity and your company and move you guys forward through a genuine authenticity. The strategy and the research teams on my part will dig through the local and international charities depending on what's relevant to your company and aim for a long-term, big picture potential partnership. Once the appropriate nonprofit has been found, whether it's feeding hungry children in Africa or searching for the cure to breast cancer, the finance team will work with your business to determine what a fiscally reasonable product or service that you have that can be promoted to directly impact the aforementioned cost for every purchase the consumer makes. So say it's 20% of every can of Campbell's chicken noodle soup goes directly towards funding a child's meal in Africa. Armed with this kind of information, the marketing and strategy teams in my organization will work with your company's marketing department, if you have one, and strive towards making the desired consumer aware of this meaningful point of difference. The consumer, fortified with concrete knowledge of what their purchase will do, is much more likely to choose your brand at this point. Catalyst Creations will continue to help develop the partnership and will come up with new and innovative ways to connect the charity with your business and the consumer mind and vice versa. The finance team will monitor the increases in sales and develop a greater understanding of which kinds of marketing motivate consumers. Furthermore, as more businesses hire this organization to work for them, we will be able to develop an understanding of which target consumers in which industry are the most fiscally and socially responsible. So essentially at this point, that's what I have going on, and yeah, I'm just gonna see where I can take the presentation from here.
Good, good. You're on the right track.